Again, another friend of broccoli is visiting my flowers. They've become a buffet. Do you see what's on the plant? That little guy is almost invisible. I found a very cute beetle in the garden that I've never seen before. I read that they eat the pollen of certain flowers. He has a lot of work to do. This little one is stunning as well. And my dear friend, the bathroom spider, finally found a boyfriend. In front of the house, I found a mountain newt. But since we have so many cats and cars around here, I decided to move him to a safer place. I went to Fantasy Basel for the first time ever. I had to put together a last-minute cosplay. I had to cut the wig, but I totally messed it up. And no, I won't show you. It was really cool, and I'd love to be part of the artist alley next year. How small can a cardboard box be for a cat to use it? Yes. I had my second art market. It took place at a really cool location. But in the afternoon, a thunderstorm rolled in. At one point, a few things got blown off the table because the wind became quite strong, but everybody helped me. So, how was it? It was awesome. The location was great. I had lovely booth neighbors. I received lots of kind feedback and I made a lot of sales. My best sellers were the cat figurines, both the slim and the chunky ones, as well as the watermelon earrings and the duck earrings. And you know what? I sold my very first greeting card. Yay! And now let's get to the scientific experiment, eating for science. Do I get more sales while eating? At the last market, I couldn't really notice a difference. But this time, maybe it was just a coincidence, but yes, several times I had to put down my food because customers showed up. I still have 3 markets ahead of me, so I'll continue my research at the next one. I found the smallest strawberry I've ever seen. So cute. Blue enjoyed it. My dear, sweet Blue. I have some sad news. She passed away a few days ago. She was such a sweet soul, so calm and gentle, tolerant, and just very sweet. And she was a fighter. She had a lot of health issues and injuries. It was an honor to know her. I tried to sculpt a little figurine of her because I saved some of her feathers and I wanted to make a small keepsake vase to store them in. Rest in peace, Blue.